I want to share something that completely changed how I think about earning income online. You know how Costco built their entire empire on a membership model? It's not by selling tons of stuff, but by offering people access to something they can't get anywhere else. You pay a small membership fee, and in return, you get huge savings and exclusive access to high quality goods. It's brilliant because the membership itself is the business. Now imagine that same concept, but applied to the wellness industry. A simple membership under $10 a month gives you access to the purest, highest quality wellness products at the lowest prices I have ever seen. But here's where it gets even smarter. You can earn weekly income by simply sharing your link. No selling, no recruiting, and no home parties. Just letting others unlock the same access that you have. And because this company is so new, it's under 2 years, the timing couldn't be better. Can you imagine when Costco started out, if you had a membership that gave you the ability to share that link to others and you would get paid a referral fee for doing that? You would be rich. They have over 100 million members. People are just now discovering it. And those of us discovering this early are in the best position to benefit. So if you're looking for a smart, simple way to build extra income without chasing people or stocking products, this might be your thing. I'll drop the overview link in the description. Check it out and see what you think. It is one of the best, smartest models I've ever seen. And right now it's wide open. Oh, and if you click on the link and you pre-enroll, there's no obligation. You have time to think about it, but it puts you in the best position if you do decide to sign up. I hope to see you there.